If you want to uninstall Grammarly from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to remove the desktop app completely and keep your system clean. This is especially useful if Grammarly is integrated with Word or Outlook on your PC and you want to stop using it. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, before uninstalling Grammarly, you should quit the app completely. Look down to the system tray in the bottom right corner of your screen, near the clock. You should see the Grammarly icon, which looks like a green or white G depending on your setup. Right-click that icon and choose Quit. This makes sure Grammarly is no longer running in the background, which helps prevent any issues during uninstall. Once Grammarly is closed, the next step is to open your Windows settings. You can do this quickly by pressing the Windows key and the letter I at the same time. That shortcut opens settings instantly, which is the fastest way to get to your installed apps. Now, in Settings, go to Apps. On Windows 11, select Installed Apps. On Windows 10, you may see Apps and Features instead. Don't worry if the wording looks slightly different. The process is still the same. You're looking for the section that lists all of the programs installed on your computer. In the search bar, type Grammarly. This will filter the list so you can find the app much faster. If you have multiple programs installed, searching is the easiest way to locate it without scrolling through everything manually. When Grammarly appears in the list, you'll need to uninstall it. On Windows 11, click the three dots next to the app name, then choose Uninstall. On Windows 10, click on the Grammarly entry and then select Uninstall from the options that appear. Windows will likely ask you to confirm your choice, so go ahead and confirm the uninstall when prompted. At this point, Windows will begin removing Grammarly from your system. Depending on your computer, this may take a few moments. Just wait for the uninstall process to finish completely. If Grammarly was installed with any supporting components, Windows should remove the desktop app and related files associated with that installation. If you no longer want Grammarly affecting your writing in Word, Outlook, or other apps, this is the main step you need to complete. After the uninstall finishes, you can close settings and restart your computer if you want to make sure everything is refreshed properly. And that's it. You've successfully uninstalled Grammarly from your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC. If this video saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.